Hey everybody, Blair again over at Simpson Motor Company. Today I'm not going to talk about cars that we have for sale. You already know we sell good used cars. What I want to tell you though is a lot of you guys did not know we have a massive garage and we do service. So for anything that you need done on your car, whether you purchased it here or not, you don't have to buy a car here for us to do work on your car. Man, we do it all. We've got brakes, we can do struts. Right now we're coming into wintertime again. We got people calling saying the heat is not working. We've got blend door motors that are broken on lots of cars. We literally just did one on a Ford Ranger a little while ago. Now instead of just air conditioning, they have heat again. We can diagnose various different things. You got a check engine light on, can't pass state inspection over in Tarrant County or Denton County, bring it to us. We'll figure out what is going on and get you a nice written estimate. Also too, our labor rate is quite a bit lower than a lot of other shops in the area, okay? So, like they say, it is cheaper in the country. We're not that far out in the country, but we're close enough to serve everybody. I'm in Newark, Texas. Our number is 817-862-7745. If you've never heard of Newark, that's okay, because back in the day, people were asking where Keller, Southlake, and Grapevine were, okay? So that wasn't that long ago either, y'all. But we're in Newark. Newark is right next to Hassleton on one side, Rome is on the other, Boyd's down there, and then about 25 minutes down the road, maybe less than that, depending on how fast you drive, we've got Decatur. It's Cisco. So we're north of Fort Worth. We're convenient to a lot of things. Basically, we're 15 or 20 minutes away from everything in the North Fort Worth area. Give me a call, 817-862-7745. Tell us how we can help you. We'd be happy to do it. Merry Christmas, everybody, from Simpson Motor Company. Thanks again.